Get ready for mind-blowing news. Astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson once said that if a black hole dropped by, it'd be a terrible day for our solar system. We're talking total atomic breakdown. We often think of black holes as distant cosmic visitors, but what if one suddenly showed up right next to Earth? Let's imagine an uninvited guest, just one in size, buzzing around our planet. In 2008, physicists wondered about this exact scenario when they fired up the powerful Large Hadron Collider. Fast forward to 2008 when scientists, including genius Stephen Hawking, thought the Large Hadron Collider could unleash tiny black holes, each capable of gobbling up everything in their path and erasing us from existence. But that's not all. Skeptics also raised other concerns about this powerful invention. Well, it's been over a decade since the collider went live, and as you're watching this video, it seems to be humming along without wreaking havoc. So, can we breathe a sigh of relief? Actually, creating a miniature black hole requires an astonishing 1,015 times more energy than what the Large Hadron Collider is capable of handling. Now, let's put aside the end-of-the-world worries for a moment and dive into some mind-blowing physics. Even if we somehow harnessed an unfathomable amount of energy to create a teeny-tiny black hole, there's another challenge: understanding and working with the fourth dimension in space. But let's assume that's not an issue yet. If we were able to conjure up a microscopic black hole in our 3D reality, here's the catch. It would likely self-destruct instantly due to something called Hawking radiation. Yep, you read that right. While black holes do suck in energy, they also spit some back out. So, if we ever manage to create such a mini black hole, it might not be the cosmic destroyer we feared, at least not right away. You've got it all wrong, or maybe not. Let's set the record straight. Those rumors about the Large Hadron Collider creating a black hole apocalypse are largely busted. But here's the kicker: tiny black holes can actually form naturally without any human help. In fact, our planet is already home to an estimated billion of them, microscopic, harmless black holes that we can't even see. So no, Earth isn't about to be torn apart by mysterious space objects just yet, but what exactly are these teeny tiny black holes doing here? Take a deep breath. We're not in danger here. You'd think these microscopic monsters would have wreaked havoc on our planet by now, but they've been hanging around for over 4 billion years without causing any harm. Now, you might be wondering, if these mini black holes are tiny, with some even smaller than an atom, how small can they get? Well, their mass can reach up to a massive 100 tons. But don't worry, it's all about scale. Their event horizon, the point of no return where space-time gets warped and matter starts getting sucked in, is teeny tiny too. It's so small that these mini black holes can't even grab hold of bacteria, not even the ones on your dinner plate. Let's put things into perspective. Even if these tiny terrors started gobbling up our planet, it'd take eons, maybe even several billion years. And by that time, who knows, humans might already be long gone or off exploring other corners of the universe. Now, imagine a mini black hole growing just big enough to see with the naked eye on. Things would get pretty intense fast. We won't geek out on you with mind-boggling physics formulas, but here's this: a teeny 1 millimeter in diameter could pack the mass equivalent to over 5 moons combined. Why? That's roughly 11% of our entire Earth's mass. Let's consider how a mini black hole's impact would vary based on where it's situated. Whether that's our planet's surface or even right next door, or maybe your arch nemesis pad. Picture a millimeter-sized black hole on Earth. Its reach wouldn't just be local, it'd stretch about 1/3 of the way across our planet, roughly 2,124 kilometers or 1,320 miles. This tiny cosmic beast would significantly boost Earth's overall gravity. The moon's orbit, currently stable and round, would start to wobble into an elliptical shape. But here's the thing: if the moon only alters its path without meeting a destructive end, there's worse in store for us and everything nearby. Now, imagine being near a tiny black hole. You'd vanish in an instant, without even time to blink. But let's continue this thought experiment. Once settled, the black hole wouldn't just stay put. It'd be on the move, making its way to Earth's core. With nothing in its path, it would consume everything and reach the center in just 42 minutes flat. As it passed through the Earth's core, it emerged on the opposite side of the surface at roughly the same time. But here's a mind-bending twist. Even as it's moving through our planet, this cosmic invader wouldn't stop there. If it has enough speed, at least 7.5 miles per second or 12 kilometers per second, it'd start orbiting Earth along with its gravitational reach. As this rogue black hole continues its orbit around Earth, it'd start to take a chunk out of our home planet with each pass. It's a slow-motion feast where the Earth would lose mass, and life as we know it would cease to exist. But before sinking its teeth into the last bits of living things, this cosmic eater would get a bit fussy, smoothing out any rough edges to make its meal easier to swallow. The atmosphere would start twisting into a swirling spiral. kind of like sugar being spun into cotton candy, and our planet would transform into a broken disk of hot stone. This process would release an enormous amount of heat from the remaining material in this disk. Imagine witnessing a scorching hot disk, radiating light with a temperature of about 6,000 Kelvin. That's as hot as our Earth's core or even the surface of the sun. This wouldn't just be an extraordinary spectacle, it'd also be chillingly eerie, like watching a cosmic vampire suck the energy out of its celestial prey. Scientists estimate this intergalactic monster would take around 5 billion years to devour our home planet, slowly but surely. As time passes, Earth's mass would balloon, but its shape would transform into something unrecognizable. It'd be as if Pompeii's fiery fate was replicated on a cosmic scale, a catastrophic transformation that would leave the Earth we know and love nothing more than a distant memory. In just a few hours, Earth would be unrecognizable, a once thriving blue world transformed into a barren wasteland, devoid of life and teeming with molten lava and toxic gases. This cosmic apocalypse wouldn't go unnoticed. The asteroid belt would start to disintegrate, triggering a chaotic era of collisions that last for over 1 million years, making our solar system a hazardous place to call home. With no safe havens for life, this eerie future seems like something straight out of science fiction. But don't worry, it's still light years away. We've got 5 billion years to figure out how to build our own intergalactic ark and escape to a new planet. So let's make the most of it. And who knows, maybe in another galaxy entirely, humanity will have found a way to escape Earth's inevitable fate. But let's not count on it just yet. For now, you're safe from the cosmic threats that could potentially shatter our planet into atoms. Just imagine how breathtakingly spectacular that would be, though. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more mind-blowing content. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. And lastly, share the knowledge with your friends. They'll thank you. We're way more awesome when we learn and explore together. So grab some popcorn, gather your squad around the screen, or get cozy with your favorite learning buddy, and let's dive into some seriously cool stuff. Your curiosity matters to us, so be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on